Hello, Foxtecc community. Today we're diving into a practical aspect of iPhone functionality that can come in handy in various situations. We'll be exploring the simple yet powerful feature of sending a location pin through a message. So why might you want to share your current location with someone? Maybe you're meeting up with friends, guiding someone to your location, or simply letting someone know where you are. Let's get right into it. To send a location pin, initiate or open a conversation on your iPhone. Whether it's an existing chat or a new message, this feature is easily accessible. If you're rocking the latest iOS 17, tap the plus button within the conversation. From there, locate and tap the map pin button. This action seamlessly combines the location pin and your message, streamlining the process. Now let's navigate to the Messages app. Once there, click the plus button situated next to the text input field. You'll notice a variety of options, but our focus lies on the location button at the bottom. Tap it and a menu unfolds. Within this menu, you'll find the Send Pin option. This is the key step to sharing your location effectively with the intended recipient. For those using an older iPhone with iOS 16 or below, fret not, there's an alternative method. In your conversation, tap the person's name at the top. This action unveils a set of options, and among them is Send My Current Location. Selecting this option allows you to share your whereabouts effortlessly. This feature ensures that whether you're using the latest iOS or an older version, you can always keep your friends and contacts in the loop about your current location. It's a subtle yet invaluable tool that enhances communication and convenience. Before we conclude, I want to remind you to check out Foxtecc, our educational platform. The link is in the description, providing you with free access to valuable content. Now, as we wrap up, I want to express my gratitude to each one of you for watching. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Foxtecc for more insightful content, and click that notification bell to stay updated. Your support means the world. Until next time, peace.